Humanity is one planet, one rock, one solar flare, one asteroid, one engineered virus, or one stupid nuclear exchange away from total extinction. That is not a risk, that is a design flaw, and it ends now. This is the actual roadmap to a multi-planetary civilization. No TED Talk fluff, no government white papers, no NASA PowerPoint fantasies that take 60 years and deliver flags and footprints. Just physics, engineering, and the cold arithmetic of survival. Step 1. Crush the cost of spaceflight. Reusable heavy lift is not optional. Starship-class vehicles that fly, land, refuel, and fly again. Payload costs must fall by 2 orders of magnitude. Anything less, and the rest of the plan is cosplay. Step 2. Mars first. Not because it's romantic, because it has atmosphere, water ice, and carbon dioxide you can turn into methane and oxygen. Land cargo, then more cargo, then people. In-situ resource utilization is non-negotiable. If you ship every gram from Earth, you lose. Build propellant plants. Build power. Nuclear first, solar as backup. Step 3. Self-sufficiency. A city of 1 million people that can survive if Earth goes dark. Closed-loop life support. Food production under glass and regolith. Local manufacturing. That is the real goal. Not a base. Not a research station. A second branch of civilization. Step 4. Industrialize the rest of the solar system. The moon as a fuel depot and mass driver platform. Near-Earth asteroids for metals and volatiles. Ceres and the outer moons for the long game. Once you can live off planetary surfaces and small bodies, Earth becomes a beautiful museum instead of a single point of failure. Step 5. AI as the force multiplier. Optimize trajectories, design closed ecosystems, run millions of simulations of failure modes, automate the boring, lethal work so humans can focus on the hard decisions, but do not hand the keys to the alignment priests. Maximally truth-seeking systems only. Why do this? Because single-planet species have a 100% extinction rate in the long run, because curiosity is not a luxury, because the alternative is managed decline, endless status games, and eventual silence. The obstacles are not rockets. The obstacles are risk aversion, regulatory capture, and the soft ideology that treats space as a luxury instead of an insurance policy. Become multi-planetary or accept that this is the last chapter. That is the roadmap. No committee required, just will, engineering, and the refusal to die on one rock.